In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PhantomBuster with N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to N8N and sign into your account. From here, click on the Overview tab. Then we need to go ahead and click on Create Workflow. From here, we can change this workflow's name to whatever you want it to be. I'm just going to call this PhantomBuster. Then from here where it says add first step, click on the plus icon, and then it will say what triggers this workflow. It triggers a step that starts your workflow. So we need to go ahead and search nodes. So type in PhantomBuster, there it is there. So go ahead and click onto that. Now we can choose a trigger or action. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on get an agent, and you should get a pop-up like this appearing. Now under that, it'll say credentials to connect with. So select credentials and create new credentials. From here, we've got to get our API key. Now to get your API key, come over to PhantomBusters and sign into your account. Then hover over your name where it says technical. Go ahead and click on API keys. And now this is where your API keys are stored. If you don't have any, go ahead and click on add API key and copy this. Now come back to here and then paste that API key and then hit save. Now that's going to save, and it'll show you connection tested successfully. Then click out of that. I'm going to save this password.